message is an Amber Alert issued by the Texas Division of Emergency Management. The Brewster County Sheriff's Office is searching for Stormy Claimer, a white female, 15 years old. Her height is 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighing approximately 100 pounds, with brown hair, green eyes, and was last seen wearing a black shirt. The following message is an Amber. Police are looking for Andrew Akers in connection with her abduction. He is a white male at 20 years old. He is approximately 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing 210 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect is driving a black 2000 Ford Ranger with an unknown license plate number. The suspect was last heard from in Alpine, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Brewster County Sheriff's Office at 432-837